Good evening to everyone. So we are going to give the presentation on PPL-based learning of Review 2 MultiCare AI Hospital in an AI-powered OPD platform. So that delivers smart and accessible way. So starting with the slide, these are the contents. So I am going to explain about introduction of this topic. So coming to introduction, there are two project view and core purposes. So healthcare is one of the most important sectors in our daily lives. So however, many hospitals face common problems such as low waiting times, overcrowding, difficulty in getting appointments, and lack of immediate medical guidance. So many patients are also unsure about which department or which specialist they should consult for their symptoms. So to address these challenges, we have developed a multi-care AI hospital and AI powered OPD platform. So that provides smart healthcare assist through a single web-based interface. So the platform can be accessed through any device with the internet browser. So making healthcare services more convenient and accessible. So instead of visiting multiple hospital counters, users can interact with our system online and receive guidance instantly. So the project is deployed on is a Render Cloud platform, so which allows user to access it anytime and from anywhere. So our main focus and major goals of our problem statement is reducing patient waiting time. So in traditional hospitals, patients often spend a lot of time waiting for registration and consultation and department guidance. So our system help users identify the correct department before visiting hospital and reducing unnecessary delay. And second one is AI-based symptoms analysis. So user can enter their symptoms in simple language, and the AI analyze the CVT information like health advice and department recommendations. And the third one is smart healthcare service. So the platform integrates several services such as medical report analysis, health risk assessment, and chatbot support. So voice interaction and appointment booking into one system. And the major one is fourth one, which is 24 into 7 availability. So unlike traditional hospital counters that operates only during working hours, our AI assistant can provide guidance at any time, making healthcare support available 24 hours. So, and one of the unique feature of our project is that it combines artificial intelligence with healthcare services. So instead of using separate applications for appointment booking, symptoms checking, and report analysis, user can access anywhere from one platform. So coming to next slide, data collection and description. So the performance of any AI system depends on heavily on quality of the data used. So therefore, selecting appropriate data was a very important part of our project. So coming to first one, symptoms disease mapping dataset. So this is the major one. So the first dataset contains more than 150 symptoms mapped to their corresponding medical departments. So for example, if a patient gets chest pain, so we have to visit cardiology. Skin allergy means dermatology, and ear pain means ENT, and joint pain means orthopedics. So when a patient enters symptoms, this data set helps the AI identify the most suitable department and specialist for consultation. And the second one is medical report keyboard data set. So I will just provide an example for this. So high blood sugar values, abnormal cholesterol levels, and low hemoglobin levels. So these, when the user enters these data sets, the AI report analyzes identifies abnormalities from uploading reports and explain them in simple language that patient can understand. So and the third one is health risk quiz data set. So it contains factors such as blood pressure, blood sugar, BMI, exercise habits, and smoking and lifestyle information. So based on these factors, the system evaluates and users risk level and provides personalized health recommendation. And the next one is readmission of risk dataset. So important factors include like age, diagnosis, previous admissions, and existing disease or disease. So using these parameters, the system estimates the probability of a patient requiring admission within 30 days. Means this means that when like any patient is previously admitted to a hospital, and the next date will be informed to him within in the app itself. So these are all these flexible improves user convenience and accessibility. So in conclusion, these data sets from the foundation of our AI powered healthcare platform and enable accurate symptoms like analysis, report interpretation, risk assessment, and patient guidance. So thank you. Explain my.
Hello, ma'am. My part is a proposed system. The proposed system is a full stack AI powered hospital. The proposed system is a full stack AI powered hospital OPD assistant offering the following core modules. It means our system, what are the features our website is giving to the user. Modules at a glance. AI systems, AI symptom checker. Uh, the user flow will be enter symptoms, get severity, department suggestion, and doctor list. Next one, AI report analyzer. Upload medical report like image, PDF, text, etc. AI explains in a plain English. Next one, health risk quiz. 10 questions quiz to assess chronic disease risks. Next one, readmission AI Pro predicts the 30-day hospital uh, uh, readmission risk for clinical data. Online appointment booking, real-time slot booking with any specialist. AI chatbot assistant, which is powered by natural language processing chatbot for queries, navigation, and guidance. Voice assistants, hands-free microphone interaction with the chatbot. Advanced diagnostics like MRI, CT scans, X-ray, lab, ultrasound service pages. Next, system architecture and the workflow. The tech we use to build this website is on in the front end. We used HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and Zinza 2 templates for front end. For backend part, we used Python with a fast API framework in a REST API architecture. For AI layer, we used OpenAI APIs, GPT models for NLP tasks, for database to store the data in memory, JSON deployment. The deployment of our website is in a render cloud, accessible via public URL. The user request flow will be like user opens the website and interacts via form, chatbot, or voice. Front end sends the requests done by the user to the backend server. The backend servers processes the request and calls OpenAI APIs for natural language processing and returns with the data to the front end. Response rendered dynamically on the UI for the user. User can book appointment directly from results page. Like this, we reduce the uh, patients' problems visiting the hospitals. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Today I am going to tell about the here we have the topic modules of the system. We are using in what the in project. We have the module one AI symptom checker means it is a the user enters details like age, gender, and symptom. And for example, fever, headache, chest pain, and etc. And the AI analyze the it will severity of the problem and advice and suggestion department and doctor recommendation. For example, input we given fever and cough body pains. The output it will give the um, um, visit general medicine doctor. And next we have the module 2 AI report analyzer means it will upload the medical reports like image PDF or text. The system analyzer the report and provides like summary key findings abnormal values and follow-up suggestion. Here example we have, for example, blood report uploaded. The output it will give the hemoglobin is low and a possible anemia and a consult physician. Next we have the health risk quiz, module 3, and it what is this means the system asks lifestyle and health related question like smoking, exercise, diet, sleep, BP, etc. And it will calculate a risk score. For example, we given a poor sleep and smoking observability, it will give high health risk score. And we have readmission AI Pro. Next module, it means it is a it predicts the probability of a patient being admitted to the hospital again within 30 days using age, diagnosis, and disease. For example, input we have the clinical parameters like age, diagnosis, and comorbidities. Output it will 30-day readmission probability. And next we have the appointment booking model, means it will allow user to book doctor appointment by entering phone number, name, department, doctor, and date and time. And last we have the last module we have the chatbot and voice assistant. Means it is a NLP based conversation with the mic support and hands-free assistant. For example, users say I have stomach pain, it will show the chatbot provider a guidance. And next slide we have system implementation and integration. Here implementation highlights means here we have the fast API routes. It will handle the each module independently like modular architecture. And next we have the open AI integration means it is used for AI responses in symptom checking, chatbot and report analysis. And next we have the Ginger to templating render AI responsibility means it is a used to display the dynamic content on HTML pages. And we next we have the JavaScript means it will handle the voice recognition and async request and the dynamic updates. And next we have the mm, section management means it will store the temporary user data. Last we have the key integration means here why we used. Here we have the open AI GPT API means it is a core AI engine for chatbot, report analyzer, and symptom checker. Next we have the web speech API means it will convert the voice to text for voice assistant. And next we have the render.com means it is a cloud, it will deploy the project online for access anywhere. And we have responsive CSS means it is makes the website mobile friendly. And medical departments means it helps user chooses specialized doctors and service. Thank you.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Vinayak. Today I am going to present about the results and the output of the presentation. Ma'am, 1 second.
Huh?
The yeah. The today I'm going to explain the experimental results outcomes as model wise. The first module, the symptom checker, as the uh, symptom checker, it helps to check multiple symptoms like skin disease, uh, any cardiology related, and any brain tumor related. That type of uh, disease will be predicted through the symptom structure. And through initially, the AI symptom structure successfully identify the correct medical department in in over 90% of our test cases using a different simple different combinations, like different disease like any fever and eye disease, or any skin related and brain tumor related, and others. Um, the AI report analyzer. Next, the report analyzer. The AI report analyzes was tested on a multiple medical reports, like medical reports, and the accurate exacted abnormal values will suggest appropriate specialty in this what report analyzer. And then the health risk quiz generated here, we ask the means the yeah the website features like it will ask on 11 to 12, 11 to on the 50 questions. Based on the answers, the AI will predict what the output is. And next, readiness AI Pro. Here for readiness AI, I take the and we take the data set from the Kaggle. It contains a patient uh, 30 days report when he or she go to the hospital, and what is the condition at that when he visit the hospital. Based on that, it will predict the what risk of the uh, that user. And the appointment booking module, it appointment booking module, it is achieved. We can book the appointment through the website or through the WhatsApp AI booking. uh, in WhatsApp, in appointment booking, it will ask about name and email ID, username, and what type of disease you have, and which department it belongs. um, for currently, we are the users select the which department the disease belongs. But in futures, we implementing like this. If a user enter the uh, if the user describes their conditions, based on that the department will automatically selected. Next, the as live system, the current the platform supports more than currently we have registered only some, and means manually we are entered one of 10 doctors across the 12 medical departments. The Our website supports a 24 into 7 emergency support, and it provides the access to diagnostic services such as MRI, CT, and scan, X-ray, ultrasound, ultrasound, and laboratory testing. Let's move to the use case diagram. Yeah. The use case diagram describes the relationship or mm, yeah, relationship between the users and the system. How the what the system will provide to the users, and how the users interact with the, or what the system provide to the users like features. This use case diagram illustrates the complete workflow of the AI powered hospital system. Uh, uh, for patient users, system provides a register and login, and check symptoms using AI. The upload medical reports for analysis, and take health risk assistance, and booking appointment online, and voice enabled. Currently, we working on voice enabled chatbots assistant, but WhatsApp integration already done, and emergency support, and quick appointment booking and recommendation for doctor or specialist. It provides features like view appointments, access patient history, and provide consultancy and recommendations. For admin, um, admin will manage the doctor and departments, and user accounts, and how many appointments, and analytics and reports. All users are actively secure and stored in a MongoDB collection, ensuring efficient data management and future accessibility. Next. Yeah, the here the MongoDB is one of the we use the MongoDB Atlas. It is one of the cloud database platform. Um, we can use MongoDB local, uh, but problem in that we have to deploy on paid versions. deployment tools. So that's why I use the MongoDB Atlas. So when it comes to the output, um, let's I hope my screen is visible. Yeah. Here is our smart AI healthcare system. Yeah. These are the features we provide: symptoms checker, report analyzer, and health risk quiz, readiness AI, and online appointment book, emergency and advanced diagnosis, and voice assistant is still in development phase. Yeah, wait for 1 minute. So the main problem in render that for free versions it sleeps again with if not we not use the that particular project, it will sleep, and uh, it will take 1 to 2 minutes for the loading. Any user. Yeah, let starts with one by one feature: symptoms checker. Here we have to enter our age. Let's enter 45, and gender, describing the our. Yeah. Here we can see the LLM will analyze based on age and gender and described description, and it will provide the current condition, like current condition is minimum means the user can wait for 1 or 2 days, and it will recommend when to visit and suggested doctors, and also book appointment, and report analyzer. Yeah, here we can see the person has a blood clotting or a small injury in his finger. The AI will suggest a summary of the that patient. The provider is image has small rising blood needle, and about the recommendations, and if the any disease can be cured within some times, or it can be cured by the users itself. It our features, our websites also suggest that. And here health risk quiz is cut, ask some 10 questions. Based on that, it will give the output. And readiness side, as yeah, here already entered, gender is male, and how many times he visit in hospital, 3, and inspection visitor, no, and pharmacy diagnosis, which he take the calculator, and admission status is also. Let's here it has the users has a low risk for the, uh, so he can wait, or he can quickly go through the that appointment. Yeah, advanced diagnosis, it is in advanced diagnosis, uh, the whatever the doctor reports, that will be provided in advanced diagnosis. And voice assistant is still in working, still in under development. So these are the features we provide, means which departments we provide. And here we can see the book, appointment book. Yeah, this completes our project. And for future works, as I told previously, uh, the based on description, the which department uh, he or she has to take, that will be take automatically. And if some of the users have not known the English, so we are working on that, implementing the multi-level module. For easily we can implement Google Translator, but Google Translator, so it can translate the whole place on spot with any languages. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Any questions, ma'am?